Hi everyone and welcome back to Power Stroke. Hope you all are safe and fine. In this video I am going to share some tips to carry your beloved car in this lockdown situation. Start the car once in every week and keep it idle for at least 5 minutes. Or you can also disconnect the battery negative cable to avoid discharging of the battery. But before that, do these simple steps. Take out the air freshener spray if any. It might explode due to the increased temperature inside the car and make a damage. Engage the first gear or reverse gear according to the vehicle parked on a gradient angle. And release the parking brake to avoid jamming of braking mechanism. You can also keep a wheel choke or a brake to avoid rolling of the vehicle. Unlock the hood, roll up the windows completely and lock the doors. Open the hood and loose the battery negative clamp using the 10 mm open head spanner. Make some gap between battery terminal and cable. Then close the hood and cover the car. Let me know if there are some other steps that you follow to maintain your car. Please drop it in the comment section below. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay safe.